Hello there, my name is Ollie from Vans. Today I have for you the 2023 Peugeot Boxer. Now this one is an extra long walk around the vehicle because it's an extra long wheelbase, a medium roof height van. This does come with 5 doors and also 9,000 miles on the clock. This does also come to you with the luxuries of cruise control, hands-free cooling, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, a 6-speed manual gearbox, 3 cloth lined seats. I will just pop this down just here so you can see table, clipboard, as well as 2 cup holders, along with 2 more cup holders just down there, as well as air conditioning. And I will just show you the load area in the back because, well, it's pretty big as you'd expect. This does come ply lined, interior lit. There is some space above the cab for storage as well, and also cargo rings adorned throughout the vehicle as well. I will just show you the space from the back as well. And as you can see, we do have an undented and unscratched bulkhead, suggesting that the previous owner did only use this van for light loads as well. Now, if you would like to find out more about this Peugeot Boxer, then please do feel free to head over to our website, anchorvans.co.uk. It is in the description of this video. Or you can head to our site in Papworth, just outside of Reading, to discover more about this van. You never know, one day, maybe yours.